Hey guys, if you're enjoying Apex Motorhome, please hit like, leave a great comment, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss our next luxury RV adventure.
Have you ever imagined a three-story Mercedes motorhome so luxurious it feels more like a private mansion than a vehicle? Well, the 2027 Mercedes triple-decker motorhome has finally arrived, and what you're about to see completely redefines life on the road. From futuristic technology to jaw-dropping luxury spaces, this rolling masterpiece pushes mobile living into a whole new dimension. Today, we're taking a complete cinematic tour of every level of this incredible machine, exploring hidden features, ultra-premium living spaces, and a rooftop paradise that might be the most unbelievable feature ever placed on a motorhome. Before we step inside, make sure you're subscribed because we bring you the world's most extraordinary luxury vehicles, futuristic concepts, and dream machines. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's waiting at the very top of this triple-decker masterpiece. Standing before the motorhome, the first thing that grabs your attention is its sheer scale. The front fascia features a massive illuminated Mercedes grille framed by sleek LED headlights and razor-sharp daytime running lights. A panoramic windshield stretches across the front, providing exceptional visibility while giving the vehicle a futuristic appearance. As we walk along the side, the triple-decker architecture becomes even more impressive. Large panoramic glass sections wrap around all three levels, while expandable slide-outs dramatically increase interior living space when parked. The metallic luxury paint finish reflects light beautifully across sculpted aerodynamic body lines designed to improve efficiency. Moving farther down the side, smart exterior lighting automatically adjusts to surroundings while hidden security cameras monitor every angle. Massive premium wheels sit beneath adaptive smart suspension systems engineered to provide a remarkably smooth ride despite the vehicle's enormous size. Below the body, hidden storage compartments and utility access panels maximize practicality. Solar panel systems integrated into the upper structure provide supplemental energy, while outdoor entertainment features transform the exterior into a luxury gathering space. At the rear, futuristic LED taillights, premium composite materials, and expansive storage systems complete the sophisticated design. Now let's enter through the automatic main door. The driver cockpit immediately feels more like a luxury jet than a traditional motorhome. Premium leather seating, real wood accents, and brushed metal finishes surround a fully digital dashboard. Multiple displays provide navigation, vehicle diagnostics, security monitoring, and AI-assisted driving information. Voice-controlled technology manages climate settings, lighting, entertainment, and navigation. Advanced driver assistance systems include intelligent cruise control, lane centering technology, collision avoidance, and 360-degree camera visibility. But the surprises are only beginning. Stepping into the main living area, we're welcomed by a designer lounge featuring oversized luxury seating, ambient lighting, and floor-to-ceiling smart glass. A giant entertainment system dominates the living room, transforming the space into a private luxury retreat. Nearby, a formal dining area accommodates guests beneath elegant lighting fixtures. The premium kitchen features marble countertops, smart appliances, induction cooking surfaces, hidden storage systems, and automated cabinets designed to maximize every inch of space. Toward the rear of the first floor, a luxury guest bathroom showcases premium fixtures and modern design. Integrated smart home controls allow occupants to manage virtually every onboard function from a central interface. Now let's head upstairs. The second floor serves as the private residential level. The master suite features a king-size bed surrounded by premium materials, ambient lighting, and panoramic smart glass windows capable of adjusting transparency at the touch of a button. Adjacent to the bedroom is a spacious walk-in wardrobe with illuminated storage solutions and luxury finishes. Nearby, a private executive workspace offers a sophisticated office environment complete with advanced connectivity and productivity technology. The luxury bathroom continues the premium experience with marble surfaces, dual vanities, heated flooring, and a stunning rain shower system. Hidden behind elegant cabinetry, a dedicated laundry room adds everyday convenience. A beautifully appointed guest bedroom completes this level, ensuring visitors enjoy the same exceptional comfort as the owners. But the third floor introduces an entirely different level of luxury. Dedicated to wellness and entertainment, this level includes a fully equipped luxury gym with smart fitness equipment and health monitoring technology. A wellness center combines a massage room, meditation space, medical room, and luxury spa area designed for complete relaxation. Just beyond, a private cinema room delivers an immersive viewing experience with premium sound and luxurious seating. Next door, a gaming lounge offers advanced entertainment systems and comfortable social spaces. Every area is enhanced by intelligent climate control, personalized lighting environments, and seamless AI automation. And now we arrive at the feature everyone has been waiting for. The rooftop deck transforms this motorhome into a rolling luxury resort. An infinity-style swimming pool creates a breathtaking focal point, surrounded by panoramic glass railings that provide unobstructed views in every direction. Beside the pool sits a luxurious jacuzzi, while a stylish sky lounge offers the perfect place to relax above the world below. A fully equipped outdoor bar serves as the social center of the rooftop experience. Luxury seating areas, a sun deck, and an elegant fire pit lounge create multiple entertainment zones. An outdoor dining area allows guests to enjoy meals under open skies while surrounded by incredible scenery. From its futuristic exterior and intelligent cockpit to its mansion-like living spaces, wellness facilities, private cinema, and spectacular rooftop oasis, the 2027 Mercedes triple-decker motorhome represents the ultimate fusion of luxury, technology, and mobility. It isn't simply a motorhome. It's a fully self-contained mobile mansion designed to deliver one of the most extraordinary travel experiences ever imagined.